You have Pele and also Jishan, who is coordinating entire with his full team. Okay, so guys, this is a learning experience for us. So please listen to what it involves in getting our fish and also our food. Okay. Okay. Clear? Okay. Pele, thank you.
Yeah.
Ingrid, Sir Wilson also welcome. Pele.
वेलकम टू एवरीबॉडी आमचे गोंयचे पूत तुमी हे आमी तारावपाक कित्याक जालें तें जाणटू आज आमचे ट्रेडिशनल काबार जायत वयता आनीक आमी एक नुस्त्याकाराचे चेडे पूत हे गोंय आमकां सांबाळपाक जाय सो हे युथाक घेवन आज आमी रापूण मारून दाखयतले कित्याक तुमी जाणात सावथ गोवाक चोयल्यार आमची बीच आहा तशी आसा ही बीच आमकां तुमचे जनरेशन तुमच्याकून भुरग्यांगे जनरेशन सांबाळपाक जाय म्हूण हे आमचे नुस्त्याकार रापूणकार गोंयचे ट्रेडिशनल हात दुखून रापूण मारून आमची दोयरो बीच सांबाळटले हे म्हाका एक थोडी उतरां सांगोंक पडटात आख्खे इंडियेचे जे कोण बिल्डर आहाय तेका लागून Today I am telling you in this English. People from all over India, Delhi, Bombay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, wherever, they can come to Goa, enjoy our food, enjoy our culture, enjoy our stay. But please don't buy our land. Our land is for our generation. Yes? Yes. You see, this is our Goa.
Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Three. Here. So right now, he's in charge of the whole coast here, right? And also as the captain of the port, the jetty in Panjim, that's where his office is. He has come all the way to be a part of this learning experience. So I request him to say a few words to us. Okay? Please listen to his wisdom because he knows the seas better than us. Sir, welcome.
Okay, how are you boys? Okay, can make out, can see all the happiness on your faces, okay. Okay, see now, I'm really happy actually for you people who have come here, dedicated yourself here to know how you do fishing. Okay, with the fisherman Pele over here, come here. Okay, here. See, we need to maintain, need to know what exactly our ancestors were doing. Reverse fishing was the main occupation over here. Okay, so we should know how they used to do the fishing. So you have, the priest has taken a very good initiative to meet Mr. Pele and to introduce you to this traditional fishing. And it was I hope it was a very wonderful experience for you people. Yes. Okay. This is the part that you have to be very much familiar with the sea. Now, regarding the further your carrier. There is a big carrier waiting for you out in the sea also. Okay, so you have to think over how to make your carrier also in the out in the sea. Like you can join the Merchant Navy, you can join the Indian Navy, and everything. Okay, Air Force, everything you can join. Okay, so for any carrier guidance, I will be there for you all. So don't worry. Okay, I am there for my people, my students who are here in Goa to give them a better future. And one thing, I just want to appreciate Mr. Pele. Okay, I've known him for the past more than 15 years. Where I used to come here, he used to come and take me to do his passing of all his water sports equipments. Okay, so I used to be there, and the first word what he used to say, sir, every day is a good day. Okay, so everybody, this is a slogan of this fisherman, One thing.
I also would like to introduce Agustin, okay? On one side there was Pele, other side there was Agustin who is helping you. Okay? So every day is a good day for us, and today because of Agustin, because of Pele, because of the entire team, boys. Right? Yes! Where you like to be? Brothers, Pele, that's called brotherhood. We called us brothers just now. Okay, and that's how fishing goes on. This is brother.
And he's
laptop out.
No. Pull.
We want more field trips like this. Very good.
Which is the fish? You know this?
Yes.
Which fish?
सगळे काम कराय मोठे बांगडे आहाय ते हितू घालाय किंग फिश आहा ती हितू घालाय कालामारी आहा ती हितू घालाय टाक टाक शेवटे आहाय ते आणि घाल आणि बारीक आहा ती काढाय व्हेरी गुड ना ही किंग फिश तो ही किंग फिश
Go, go, go. Everybody do it. What is this? Speed.
Boys are understand fishing now. They saying raw ray. We have to do proper. Lag, baba. Shabash. Hey, itu. So this you can share with your friends and everybody. Whenever. Fresh bangle from Rapud. Fresh बांगडे फ्रॉम रापूण कोण जो नुस्त्या नाव सांगत चड तो हो भुरगो जिखला थँक्यू बाबा
Hey, clap for him. He's a winner.
Good. I feel very happy because I get the fish to eat. All the hard work we did, even the fishermen, all like Uncle Pelly also helped us. So I'm thank you.
Nice.
All the waste plates in the bin here on the side.
Nice.